Everybody, it's Brandon Caldwell with video number 10. Can you believe it? We made it through our 30 for 30 financial challenge, where we're going to help 30 families over the next 30 days start their journeys to financial freedom. Now, the past 3 videos, we've been talking about solutions, cash flow over income, the importance of having a 1099, the importance of investing. You guys have to remember, the ultimate goal of this entire series was for you to one day get enough money to invest. Here's the reality. If you aren't investing, you're not even on the road to wealth. I'm going to say that again. If you're not investing, you're not even on the road to wealth. So what am I going to do in this final video? The final video is to introduce you guys to our 369 financial transformation. This concept is also commonly known as income shifting. On Wall Street, they call it income shifting. In the business world, they call it income shifting. That's taking money out of the highest tax bracket, shifting it through a business of some type, and ending up with all of your wealth in the lowest tax bracket so you get to keep more of it. See? Income shifting. Come out of the highest tax bracket, a W-2, come through a 1099, which is a home-based business, and end up in the lowest tax bracket where your money is made with other money. Capital gains, dividends, private businesses, they don't pay the taxes that labor does on a W-2. That's called income shifting. So what we do in our 369 financial transformation is real simple. Within 3 days, we're going to show you guys how to take some simple techniques and increase your cash flow. Remember, just to recap, cash flow is measured in time, but income is measured in dollars. So can you imagine within 3 days, without you earning any extra income, your cash flow increased because of our strategies? Now, within 6 weeks, we're going to show you guys how to start earning business income. You want 1099 money. Why? Because you get to keep all of it. Pay your bills, cell phone bill, internet bill, eating out, gas in your car. The home-based business provides you with certain tax deductions from the lifestyle that you currently have already anyway. So now you get a chance to pay your bills first, pay yourself first, pay the government last, because you have a 1099. And for how much? Our membership offers a 1099 for just $34.95 per month. Now, Brandon, what do? Well, you're looking at it. You share our videos. You show people your videos. You show people your website. You show people what you're learning about finances. And it's just like being a piano tutor or a Spanish instructor or someone who may come to your house to help your children improve their grades. It's just like the same thing, but we help adults improve their finances, and you get 1099 income and bonuses weekly and monthly as a result of what? Financial education. So what happens now? The 1099 money comes in, the cash flow is now up and positive, and you take the money from strategy 1 and 2 and have money to invest in strategy number 3. Now, I can't stress this enough. We don't invest your money for you, okay? We don't have licenses and we don't have a Series 6 and all these different things. We are merely educators. We show you guys how to use education as a means to learn investments so you can get with a licensed professional. Make sense? All right, so do me a favor. Type 369 as the keyword in your text. Keyword 369. This is video number 10 of the whole series to 678-355-8172. 369 to 678-355-8172. My name is Brandon Caldwell. It's been a pleasure to go through this whole series with you of our 30 for 30 challenge, and I look forward to you guys as future millionaires. Remember, money talks, but wealth whispers.